watching hacking videos to become expert hackers? Are you confused about how to apply those techniques? Don't worry, this video will answer these questions. The reason for your confusion and slow progress is that most of online videos do not show you the full pictures. Instead, they are focusing on one phase or subphases of hacking. In this video, we explore the logical approach of hacking phases to give you a better insight. While not every hacker follows these steps in sequential orders, this offers a systematic approach that yields better results. Let us take a closer look at what the hacking phases are. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Hacking is illegal and unethical without proper authorization. Understanding these phases help us raise awareness about cybersecurity and reinforces the need for strong defenses. The first phase of hacking is reconnaissance. This is where hackers gather information about their target. They might use various techniques like open source intelligence, social engineering, or a scanning tool to find vulnerabilities. It's crucial to understand that reconnaissance is not an illegal activity. It's about gathering publicly available data to assess potential targets. Once the hackers have gathered enough information, they move on to second phase, scanning. They use specialized tools to identify open ports, services, and potential entry points into the target system. They explore the network infrastructure, searching for weaknesses that can be exploited later. The third phase is where things get intense. Hackers attempt to gain access to the target system or network. They might use techniques like password cracking, exploiting software vulnerabilities, or utilizing phishing attacks. Once they successfully breach the system, they establish a foothold and gain control over the compromised system. After gaining access, hackers aim to maintain their presence within the compromised system for as long as possible. They create backdoors, install remote access tools, or escalate their privileges to ensure persistent control. This phase is crucial for hackers to gather sensitive information, perform further reconnaissance, or even launch additional attacks. The final phase of hacking is covering tracks. Skilled hackers want to avoid detection and prevent their activities from being traced back to them. They delete logs, modify timestamps, and use various anti-forensic techniques to erase any evidence of their presence. This makes it challenging for investigators to identify the source of the breach. Remember, knowledge is a power, and with power comes great responsibilities. Always use your skills legally and ethically. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, stay secure, stay protected.